Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Rolls-Royce continues to redefine automotive luxury with its 2025 lineup, showcasing exceptional advancements in performance, design, and efficiency. Performance. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2 Black Badge is powered by a twin-turbocharged 6.7-liter V12 engine, delivering an impressive 592 horsepower. This robust powertrain propels the Cullinan from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds, ensuring a swift and smooth driving experience. For those seeking an electrifying alternative, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Spectre Black Badge offers a dual-motor setup producing 650 horsepower. This all-electric coupe combines Rolls-Royce's signature serenity with instantaneous electric torque, providing a seamless and exhilarating ride. Exterior design. The Cullinan Series 2 Black Badge features a refreshed exterior with a more pronounced and bold use of modern materials and technologies. It also introduces a 23-inch wheel option for the first time, enhancing its imposing stance and dynamic capabilities. The Spectre Black Badge showcases a sleek and modern design, with a new vapor violet paint color inspired by the neon ambiance of 1980s and 1990s club culture. It also introduces a waft line on the lower half of the body, adding a distinctive touch to its elegant silhouette. Interior design. Inside the Cullinan Series 2 Black Badge, occupants are greeted with an illuminated fascia panel, a new clock cabinet, and updated technology features. The rear compartment offers enhanced comfort, ensuring a luxurious experience for all passengers. The Spectre Black Badge's cabin is a testament to hyper-luxury, featuring fine materials and meticulous craftsmanship. The famous Starry Night headliner is made with more than 5,500 lights of varying size and intensity, creating an ambiance of celestial elegance. Fuel efficiency. The Cullinan Series 2 Black Badge, equipped with its powerful V12 engine, offers a combined fuel consumption of approximately 17.9 mpg, 15.8 L, 100 km, reflecting Rolls-Royce's commitment to balancing performance with efficiency. The Spectre Black Badge, being fully electric, produces zero emissions and offers an impressive electric range of up to 329 miles, 530 kilometers, on a single charge, aligning with Rolls-Royce's vision for a sustainable future. In summary, the 2025 Rolls-Royce lineup exemplifies the brand's dedication to innovation, luxury, and performance. Whether through the commanding presence of the Cullinan Series 2 Black Badge or the pioneering electric elegance of the Spectre Black Badge, Rolls-Royce continues to set the standard for automotive excellence. For a more in-depth look at the 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2 Black Badge, you might find the following video review insightful.